right here we have a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 retractable hardtop, and I'm just going to get this right out of the way because I know this is what everybody's going to want to see. Retractable hardtop going up and down into the trunk. Of course, there's your storage area for when you do have the top down, and you can see that in the still pictures, and we're going to get to that at the end of this video. But like I said, I want to do this hardtop retracting going all the way down and then back up so you can see it work and function properly. So we're going to let it go all the way through here. It's a work of art. You think about 1957, I believe this would have been one of Ford's most expensive models, probably the most expensive model. 57. And there we go. And it all tucks in. We'll go back down and close up. Now FYI, there is a little red light on the dash right by where the knob is at. I'm going to show that real quick. You have a little red light down there, and it goes off when it's complete. Now we're going to push that button back forward, and we're going to take it back all the way up for you to see. How fun would this be at a car show? You see these displayed lots of times with the top maybe a third the way up, 2/3 the way up at car shows. Like I said, we'll get into the details on this car here in just a bit, but I wanted to show this functioning completely all the way down, and then we're going to go all the way back up. Completes each cycle and on to the next step. And of course that top is automatically going to tighten down into above that windshield. See if I can get a good shot of that for you. Look at that. Trunk finish is closing. Tighten it all the way down, I guess, here. Look at that. And there you have it. Top functioning complete. All right, so we got that out of the way. How cool. All right, so there you've seen the top up and down completed. So 1957, of course. Ford Fairlane 500 retractable hardtop, or Skyliner, of course, it's called.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. You got to see the top functioning all the way through its cycle, into the trunk and back up. All right, so like I said, 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. Skyliner, or retractable hardtop, of course. This particular car, still in its original colors, would be a VE3 color code, which would be the flame red and colonial white, and then I believe with that gold highlight through there on the Skyliner emblems in the back. Riding on wide whites, Ford wheel covers. I believe it does have new rubber in the rear, if I remember right. You can take a look at the still pictures. I'll tell you where to see those in a little bit. You'll be able to see the tread depth. Get close-ups of the underside, interior, check out the underside. Undercoated along the way a while back, and it looks good underneath there, underneath the hood. 292 V8 3-speed manual transmission on this one. I'll let you take a look at the chrome. Of course, the 57s would have the single headlights up front, but check out that bright work, the chrome up front. Now paint does show its age a little bit. It's an older repaint on this, and again, to the original colors, the red with the colonial white. Now, still pictures, I mentioned those. Check out the still pictures. I got the top up, top down, engine bay, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the paint shows well. Like I said, it's just a little older repaint, but still shows very well. It kind of goes with the look of a 1957. It's not like it just came out of a paint booth or is still smells like new paint. Nope, it's been on there, which is also nice because you get a chance to see how it's stood up. Look around the wheel wells, the bottom of this car. There's not really much for bubbling, anything coming back through. The interior would be a BF trim code, which would be the red airweave vinyl. So we do have a red and white vinyl combination interior. Red carpeting. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear, see the chrome on the rear bumper. Now here's like a few things I'm talking about with the little older paint. One little chip right here, just a couple real small areas that you can see there. But again, overall, this one does show nice. And once again, still pictures. You can check this thing out every angle, top to bottom, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side. One little spot, notice there's a little touch up right here. And then a little scratch on the side right here. You can see that. And again, you're going to see that in the still pictures. But take a look at the bright work. Also in nice shape. A lot of chrome in the 57s, obviously, between the bumpers. Bright work. All right, let's go ahead, check out the interior. Look at the door panels, also in nice shape. The VIN and the data plate in the door. There'll be a close-up picture of that if you want to know more information on the car than just what I went over. And you can see vinyl's in nice shape. The seats aren't ripped or torn. Take a look at the headliner, also in nice shape. You did hear it running with the top going up and down, but we're going to start it up, let you check out underneath the hood, and we'll take a listen to it running. And let's go ahead and do that. Odometer reads 61,638. Once the car's sold, the miles don't stay with the title. I can't confirm or deny that that is original. It would definitely not surprise me if that is original, just kind of judging by the condition of this car. See the fuel gauge is going up, does work. Generator and oil light lit up when we turn the key on, so you know that those are working. Again, 292 underneath the hood. I'm gonna make sure we're in neutral here. All right, little Ford kind of retro style radio in this one. Take a look at the top of the dash. And there, fire up the radio, so the radio does work. Let you hear that. So working radio. Slip around behind this, let you hear it run. Nice sounding car. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Just a slight rumble. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take a couple hands to get this hood open, but I want you to check out that engine bay. So give me a second, let's pop that hood. Wow, take a look underneath here. Baby is a smooth runner. Power steering, as you can see. Oh, it's pretty stock looking engine bay. And listen, watch our videos, lots of times it's what you don't hear. Got that engine running underneath the hood. Very quiet. Slip along this side. There you go. Remember that 292 is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. Beautiful retractable hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.